Hello everyone, this is how I make my sorrel drink for Christmas. So I'm using 2 pounds of sorrel and I rinse it, then put it in a pot with some ginger, boil some water, then add the boiling water to the sorrel. Make sure it's enough water to cover the sorrel, then cover the pot and let it steep, soak overnight. So this is the next day now. We strain it and then we sweeten it and add a little wine and rum to it. All right, so I'm adding 1.5 cup of sugar, brown sugar, but you can add a little more or less if you want sweeten to taste. And then I'm adding some wine and rum because a Christmas sorrel drink, so you know we have to add some wine and rum to it. But you can always drink your sorrel drink without the alcohol in it. So pour out some so that we have that for drink. And then the rest of it, you can put it into some, glass bottle or glass container. So, see it there. I saw me make my Jamaican sorrel drink for Christmas. Give it a try and enjoy.